Hello guys, welcome back to Fura's Kitchen. I hope you're well. Today we're going to make a rice dish. So we'll need chicken, then I marinated with garlic and salt, paprika and black pepper, lemon juice and coriander powder. Then I gave that a good mix. Then I will let it rest for like 1 hour in the fridge. Let it rest so that it can marinate well. Then in another sufuria I started to fry my rice. I added oil, vegetable oil with onions. Please, I will list down the ingredients in the description box. Then I added garlic, tablespoon of garlic. This is a a beautiful dish. It's so yummy if you want to stay away from pilau and biriani for a while. Then I added tomato paste, and then I added my spices. There we have bay leaves, cardamon, cloves, and 1 tablespoon of cumin, coriander and black pepper. And then I added my chilies and water, and then I added in my rice, my washed rice. And then I covered that and let it simmer for a while. I will list down the ingredients together with the measurements in the description box. Don't worry about that. So I let that simmer for some minutes until all the water has dried up. So my rice here is almost done, so I will just mix it kidogo, and then I cover it and I'll place it in my cooker in low heat, very low heat, until it's done. In another pot, let's make sauce. Here we have onions. I grated these onions. If you can cut them into small tiny pieces, it will be fine. And then I added garlic, a tablespoon of garlic, and then I give it a good mix. And then I added tomato paste, like a tablespoon. This sauce goes well with the rice. And then I added black pepper, like a half a teaspoon. And then I added Reco cubes, of which it's optional. You can leave that out. And then I added water and salt, and then I gave it a good mix that very well so that all the ingredients come together nicely. And then after mixing so well, I will leave that to simmer for a while, like just 5 minutes in high heat, and then our sauce will be ready. So we go to the kitchen, to the chicken. So in this flour that I'm using, I added black pepper into it. So I'll use it to coat the chicken so that it can have a nice crunchy surface, or crunchy, you get it. And then I'll fry that in vegetable oil. Make sure that your chicken will cook all the way through. So you just keep on turning it until you get your desired color. So here we have our second batch. Guys, I don't have a name for this dish. It's just a rice and chicken dish. You can also use fish instead of chicken if you desired so. It's just the same process. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll appreciate that so much. Thank you for the support so far. Thank you so much. So we are done with our dish, so let's plate it. Yeah, this dish is so yummy, I tell you. It's so yummy. I hope you try it. Yeah, so there we have our rice, our chicken, and our sauce that we prepared. So let's go ahead and have a bite. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this far. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. Please subscribe, like, comment below. Please comment whatever you think. Yeah, it's so yummy, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.